This video is intended as guidance for gas fitters installing the log set into Rinnai's Novo and Neo gas fires. A lot of the problems reported to us are the result of incorrect media installation, so it's important to follow these steps carefully. The media installation is the same for both inbuilt and freestanding versions of the fire. Start by unpacking the media and inspecting it for any damage. Take the first log and place it on the tabs on the left-hand end of the combustion chamber and make sure that the ends of the log are sitting flat against the side and back ceramic panels. Take the second log and fit it over the pins on the raised bracket on the burner. Fit the third log over the pins moulded into the top of the first log and the left end of the second log. Now is a good time to place the granules along the back row of holes on the right hand side of the burner. While this can be done at any stage, it is easier to do it with the log out of the way. Place 7 granules just behind the rear set of holes. Place the fourth log in place using the rear pin on the second log, making sure that the log sits flat against the rear ceramic panel. Place the fifth log into the guide in the front of the burner and onto the tag to the right of the burner. It will rest back against the fourth log. Continue to place the granules on the burner as per the media installation guide. There are a lot more granules supplied than are required, so discard any remaining granules. Place the granules close to the burner ports. They can overhang the holes but not completely block them. There are 7 granules to the left of the second log, 9 in front of the second log, and 7 in front of the fifth log. Don't place granules over the holes between the pilot and the main burner flame rod. Start the fire and using the remote control or main control panel, adjust to the highest flame setting. Adjust the granules to make sure that there are no long streaky flames or places where flame impingement could cause soot. As you can see on this LPG burner, having the granules over the burner holes helps hold the flame down onto the burner. This can be important in very cold areas where cold start flame lift is a problem, but be careful not to create long streaky flames once the fire has warmed up a bit. Refit the glass and start the fire, checking for fast and complete cross-lighting across the entire burner and adjust the granules as required. The aim is to have enough flame on the granules to make them glow without causing sooty flames. Areas of clean flame on the underside of the logs is okay as long as they are only giving glow and not getting too sooty. Small patches of soot that may or may not burn off over time are acceptable and are not a fault with the fire. Make sure that the fire operates on high and low flame settings before refitting the fascia. For more information regarding commissioning, Wi-Fi installation or servicing, refer to our YouTube channel or the Rinnai website.